wabarakatuh. Hello guys, back again with me. My name is HIDAYAT. In here, I want to tell you about my English exercise 2. I will read some text and answer the following question. Bacteria are extremely small living things. While we measure our own size in inches or centimeters, bacterial size is measured in microns. 1 micron is 1,000th of a millimeter pinhead, which is about a millimeter across. Root-shaped bacteria are usually from 2 to 4 microns long, while rounded ones are generally 1 micron in diameter. Thus, if you enlarge a founded bacterium 1,000 times, it would be just about the size of a pinhead. An adult human magnified by the same amount would be over a mile, 1.6 kilometers tall. Even with an ordinary microscope, you must look closely to see bacteria. Using a magnification of 100 times, one finds that bacteria are barely visible as tiny rods or dots. One cannot make out anything of their structure. Using special stains, one can see that some bacteria have attached to them wavy looking hairs called flagella. Others have only one flagellum. The flagellum rotates, pushing the bacteria to the water. Many bacteria like flagella and cannot move about by their own power, while others can glide along over the surface by some little understood mechanism. From the bacterial point of view, the world is a very different place from what it is to humans. To a bacterium, water is as thick as molasses is to us. Bacteria are so small that they are influenced by the movements of the chemical molecules around them. Bacteria under the microscope, even those with no flagella, often bounce about in the water. This is because they collide with the water molecules and are pushed this way and that. Molecules move so rapidly, then within a tenth of a second, the molecules around bacterium have all been replaced by new ones. Even bacteria without flagella are thus constantly exposed to a changing environment. Questions. Number 1. What is the topic of the writer's discussion? The answer is the topic of the discussion is bacteria, because from paragraph 1 until the last paragraph discuss about bacteria, which includes the size of bacteria, the shape of bacteria, and the means of motion and movement of bacteria in a molecule. So this text discusses general about bacteria. Number 2. Can you summarize what the writer talks about? The answer is bacteria are very small creatures that are micron-sized, tubular and round, can be seen by microscopy with the help of special stains. Bacteria have a form of motion in the form of flagella, and they are influenced by the movements of the chemical molecules around them. Is it true or false that first, you can look bacteria closely with microscope, False, because the bacteria are nearly unrecognizable by humans, but can hardly be seen using a microscope with magnification of 100 times. Bacteria can be seen by using special stains. And number 2, bacteria look like a pinhead because of its size. False, because bacteria has tube and round shapes. But if you see 1000 times the magnification in bacteria, then it looks like a pinhead. Bacteria is barely recognized by humans. Number 3, chemical molecules are affected by bacteria's movement. False, because chemical molecules that influence bacteria's movement are not affected by bacteria's movement. Okay, I think it's enough for discussing my English exercise 2. I hope you enjoy this video and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.